We have completed the three topics, what to say, in our module 2. So we have to start talking about program status registers. It's very a small topic, and you just have to talk about reading and writing the data. That's it. Nothing else is there in this. So we have swap. This we had completed. Software interrupt. This was also completed. We have program status registers. Just two are there. This is the CPSR thing. This is a program status register. It can be either control or say CPSR is control. SPSR is saved one. So see, you have to remember copy a program move and immediate. So see, whenever you are copying, like from PSR to register, there is just one. But from register to PSR, there are two. Either you can write back the results from the register, or you can write back the immediate value. See, it's so small. So let us begin in the notes. See, what is two types are there. So basically, the ARM architecture provides two main instructions that are for reading and writing to the program status register. Reading and writing into the PSR. That is MRS and MSR. MRSC. Remember this word. R over here. R means reading. S is for storing, but you can remember it as store or write or same. MRS is what? Whatever the contents are there in PSR, it will read it and copy it to the register. General purpose register basically are D. Okay, and MSR is nothing but whatever is there from the register, it will move writes the data from a register or from an immediate value back into the program register. Syntax, if you see here, MRS condition a register. See, a general purpose register. We have to move. See, basically, whenever you do operation, this is the destination, and this is the thing which should be moved over here. So now here we have CPSR, PSR. It can be either CPSR or SPSR, specific program status register, that will be moved to RD. Okay, RD is nothing but what? Destination registers. So it will read the value of this thing and then it will copy it into the RD, that is MRS. MSR, the writing thing. So whatever you do, either it will read the RM value, see, either it will read the register or the immediate value, and then it will give it back to the CPSR, PSR thing. So what is the fields over here? Fields are nothing but they specify the control flags. All this is control, extension, status, and flag. Like whatever the four sections are there, right? In for to say program of the register 32-bit. Each is of what? 8888. So here it is flags, conditional flags. Here it is control bits, and middle you have status and extensions. Both are reserved for future use. This is the condition flags, and here it is the interrupt, mask, thumb state, and processor mode. So processor mode, T, thumb state, and this is I and F are the interrupt mask. See, that's the same thing which they have explained. 0 to 7, the next number 8 to 15, 16 to 23, 24 to 31. Totally 0 to 31 is nothing but 32 bits. So condition flags, negative flag, set if the result of an operation is negative, set if the result of an operation is 0. Carry when if there is a carry or borrow in arithmetic operation. Overflow when the signed overflow in arithmetic operation. And this example you can just check in the textbook, and now we'll move to the next topic in the next video.